Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Live Cockpit Pro with navigation, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, BMW Assist eCall, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, rear view camera, connected drive services, rain sensitive windshield wipers, connected package Pro, BMW Assist eCall emergency communication system, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.